biglang nahimatay ito. So the person collapsed. So, unconscious ang pasyente. So you cannot conduct the rescue in the fire. So ang gagawin mo dyan is make sure that the patient is in a clean or safe area that you can conduct. Safe on the part of the client and safe on the part of the rescuer. Okay? Hindi rin pwedeng sa malambot. O yung mga buhangin. Hindi pwede nun. Kasi remember, you need to have force in trying to do compression. Sa hospital na, pag nagko-compress tayo, is nilalagyan natin siya ng board sa ilalim ng kama para mas matigas ang compression. Ganun din. So you have to make sure that when you have your area that is safe, kailangan matigas. Walang mga bato-bato, kailangan flat dapat ang pasyente. Okay? So, i-demo natin yan. This, I will be in particular with the things that you're going to say. May mga kopya na naman kayo, you just have to follow. Mamaya na kayo tumingin sa inyong copies. Okay? So, of course, check that the area is safe. I have one victim unresponsive, one bystander who can help. I am a trained first aider, I can help. Hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay? No response? Hey, you please activate emergency response system and get back to me as I do my initial assessment. Head is clear. Ears is clear. No contusion. The mouth is clear. Nose is clear. No contusion. Extremities is okay. No contusion. Lower extremities okay. No contusion. No bleeding. Head tilt to open the airway. Pulse. So, adult carotid pulse tayo. So, dalawa ang carotid natin. You can either have it here or you can either have it here. But since you are going to employ the aspect of your LLF, look, listen, and feel concept. So, look at the rise and fall of the chest. So, ibig sabihin, pag nakadamit yan, tatanggalin mo ang upper shirt. For you to check on the rise and fall of the chest, you have to listen. So, if you feel mo yung breathing ng pasyente, so head tilt to open the airway, head down, nakatapat ang pisngi sa bunganga at ilong ng pasyente for you to feel the breathing. Look at the rise and fall of the chest, and then check the pulse. So, pwede dito. Pero mas madali, from the center line, down. So, center line, hindi ko siya ginanan ha. Center line, slide down, check the pulse. We are not going to count 1 full minute kasi hindi yun ang ating objective. Our objective is to check whether the patient has pulse or patient doesn't have any pulse. So, ibig sabihin, minimum of 5 seconds to a maximum of 10 seconds. So, it is done on a military counting. So, 1,001 corresponds to 1 second. So, bibilang ka, 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, hanggang 1,010. Now, for an adult that collapse, definitely, ano nangyayari dyan? Nag-i-stop ang puso. So, the heart stops. So, eventually, the entire circulation, the entire oxygenation is stopped also. So, ang gagawin mo is you need this heart to pump. Hindi mo siya ipipress, but you need this heart to pump. Sa ganito, iilaw ito mamaya. And that is an assurance that you are already doing it correctly. From the center line to the nipple line, center line, nipple line, hindi po hands ang do the compression, but it's the heel of the hands. So like that. So the strong hand versus the non-dominating leg. And then pump. Pag nagpa-pump, hindi gumagalaw ang katawan. Hindi gumaganyan. O kaya tumataas ang kamay. So it has to be steady. This one is perpendicular to your heel, and this one is the one pumping. See? Maybe yan, matigas. Ganito may ito yata. Okay.